Show me how to jump. Show me how to jump. Ooh. Show me how to jump. 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 Show me. Go give your brother a kiss. Go give your brother a kiss. Go give your brother a kiss. Kiss. Give him a hug. Meet my kids, Daniela and Jaden. Daniela, big sister, just turned 2, while Jaden is 9 months old. Daniela just had a little beautiful birthday party at home, and Jaden is always there to support her. If you want to see more about us and this kid's birthday party, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video and want to see more of such videos. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Today is the day. Today is that day. It's my daughter's birthday party day. Her birthday was 2 days ago, and today we are celebrating her birthday. My eyes are so swollen. I'm looking very tired because I barely slept last night. I've been doing the decor all by myself. And the party is in this house, in the basement, and God, you don't want to know. Please, if you have a party, make sure to get a planner. I don't care. I'm just the one person who loves to do things herself. But, just this little birthday, little thing for 1 second. This is how stressful it is, really. But I'm loving it because I'm learning a whole lot that I didn't know I could know. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys throughout the day. It's gonna be a very busy day. It's supposed to start really early, and I'm not even set, especially with the food and everything, but we'll work things out. No pressure at all. No pressure. So until then, I'm gonna go to the kitchen right now and see what I can do. Okay. And I want to make pepper. I want to make pepper for the ribs that we're gonna be doing. It's for the barbecue, and yeah, so let's see. Maybe pepper, maybe fish too. I might roast fish. I'm not too sure. Just see what I can do. So I'm on my way to pick up the cake right now, and it's been so busy this morning and I've not even had time to update you guys, but yeah, so let me pick up this cake and see what it's next on our list. So okay, it's been so much and I've been receiving so many phone calls, so I couldn't even film anything for you guys. Hope this cake is gonna be a princess cake. Picked up the cake, guys, and I'm excited. I'm so excited because that cake is cute. Oh my god, I was a little bit nervous because I've never used this lady for a cake before, but I love the cake. The cake is so beautiful. I'm gonna insert pictures of the cake so you guys can see and get excited with me. Okay, guys, let me head over to the next activity of the day. Okay,
I didn't even ask to make sure.
Oh, the second birthday, Danielle. This is too cute. How am I gonna carry this home?
Well, I'm gonna put it in the box, and it is heavy.
It's so
heavy.
cute. I don't even know. I don't even want to mess anything up. Like, really? Is this for real? Oh my god. Oh. So guys, it's time for me to show you guys the decor I've been doing all night. I've been struggling You know, I've been crying, sleepless night. And you know, guys, I've never done anything like this. Yeah, people say I'm creative. People say no. I want you guys to see like the stage. That was my main focus, like where the cake is gonna be at, you know. Yeah, you know that's supposed to look cute, you know. So I went through the pain of sleepless nights. This morning, some of my friends came in and helped me out with some of the decor, but most of it I did, and I'm gonna show you guys the bounce house too, so you come with me. I watch YouTube videos and I learned all that you see me do, so let's learn, let's do. Okay. Yes, my sweetheart is here. You know, because I am old. See, it's been 2 years since I saw this girl. And then when she comes, she always changes the game.
Happy birthday, Daniela. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you? No, there's mommy from. How old are you now? I am 2 years today. I am 2 years today. I am 2 years today. Mama sing. Many more years to you. 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 Bravo!
Blow your cake.
Blow.
Mama, blow.
Mama, blow your cake.
Blow. Come on, blow.
Blow, Mama.
Blow.
Blow. 1, 2, go.
Blow it. Blow.
Why are you blowing it for her?
Blow. Oh, okay. Good job. Touch your cake.
Touch your cake.
Let's D A N I E L L A. Daniela. Good job.
She's tired. She's like, you guys are stressing.
Good job, Mama.
Somebody do that. Somebody do that.
What did you do?
Did you get good pictures?
She did. I think she's taking because
I know.